So what we've got here is the result of a few minutes of foraging around the area. I want to light this fire today without using any pre-packaged things that I brought with me. I've just got my fire steel and my knife. And this is some old man's beard and some real fine dry needles, a little bit of cedar bark. I've never tried a fire doing it this way, right from what you can find, but it's first time for everything. I've got a lot of wind today, so I've set this little table up as a ugly but fairly effective wind block. I've just got the Trangia going in the Firebox Nano. Can't really see that. That's just bringing some water to a boil, and I'm going to get the main Firebox lit up. And this is about what I've come up with for a bit of a bird's nest that I'm going to try. I've processed the bark that I got, tore it up, got it about as fine as I could manage, and then kind of layered the old man's beard on top of that and got a bunch of dry, real super dry grass twig stuff. We're going to see if I can get it going with just the fire steel. So let's give her hell, see what happens. Okay, that went a little better than I thought it might have. That seemed to go fairly well. Well, I'm not sure if this is going to take or not. The experiment was actually the bird's nest, just to see if I could get it going with just a spark. Because I usually use a piece of cotton ball that's got a little bit of vaseline on it. This time I didn't use any of those, though, to be honest, there are some down in amongst the pieces of hardwood that I've got down there to try to get the Swedish fire torch effect going. Not really cheating, sort of cheating, but I just wanted to try the bird's nest, and so I'm calling that a success. So it took a little bit of tweaking, but it did catch. It is burning now nicely from the bottom up. I had to pull the firebox up out of the shelter. It just needed a little more wind, and then a wind came up just when I needed it. And away we go. We'll have some embers and we'll be cooking soon. Okay, meat's on the grill, water's on the boil. Water's gonna make my broccoli and make my potatoes. That's about it for now. Look at the insanity of the heat. That's serious ember action.